This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Power on your Xbox and make sure it's online. You should have the new Microsoft account email and password at hand so you can sign in immediately. Once ready, press the Xbox button to open the guide, navigate to Profile and System, and choose Add or Switch. Select Add New and enter the new account credentials. As you type, make sure two-step verification codes are available if required. This prevents interruptions during the sign-in flow. After entering the new account credentials, follow the on-screen verification steps. Check email or your Authenticator app for codes. Once signed in, you'll be asked about sign-in preferences and security. Choose whether to require a passkey or to sign in automatically. Next, review privacy and online safety settings so your profile behaves as expected. If you want games and subscriptions shared, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Personalization, and set this console as your home Xbox, making downloads and multiplayer sharing straightforward. Finish by removing the old profile if you no longer need it. Go to Settings, right arrow Account, right arrow Remove Accounts, select the old profile and confirm. Once removed, restart the console to ensure all settings refresh, then sign back into the new account and open the Microsoft Store or profile to confirm purchases and subscriptions are accessible. If the new account can't access services, re-enter the password, check two-step verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.